I may have made a huge mistake. I came back to Hardee's for part-time work to make it through school. Sorry for the echo. I have to come in the bathroom because they have cameras everywhere. The guy who owns this place is an Arab and he doesn't trust anybody. My money comes from the Taliban. Go figure. But they have asked me to come back into management. I was a manager 3 years ago here whenever I got hurt in a car accident and broke my back and ruined my teeth. But since they're in a bind, I said yes. And I'm not going to be going to school in the summer, and I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to start graduate school right offhand, so I said yes. An hour and a half later, I'm already starting to regret this, but at the same time, looking forward to having an income that is steady and stable. Just not looking forward to the hours I'm going to have to keep and wondering how that's going to affect my farm. Because before I let my farm and my garden go down, that's worth more money to me than the cash I get up here. So if my videos and my live streams are not as often, guys, please bear with me and wish me the best. Pray for me because this is going to be stressful enough. So I'm working with Agape Farms. Thanks for listening. Please, all the encouragement I can get, all the prayers. Thank you.